In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Roblox on your Windows laptop or PC. Just go to any browser, then you need to search for roblox.com, then press enter. So it will take you to the Roblox official website. So here either you need to log in or sign up. So if you already have a Roblox account, you can just log in, and if you do not have any Roblox account, then you need to sign up. So let me just give a date over here, birth date. Then we need to give a username, let's say Yummy Catcher, and we need to give a password. So I'll give my password. Then we need to click here, sign up. And once you log in, it will take you to this page, to the home page. So here what you need to do is that you just need to click on any Roblox game. So let's just click on a random game. Let's click over here. After that, we need to click on this play button. If you now click on this play button, it will say Roblox is now loading, and since we do not have Roblox installed in our device, it will say download and install Roblox. So we'll click here and it will start downloading a exe file. There you can see. So right now we just need to double click on this exe file, and then something like this will appear. Let me just minimize the browser. There you can see it is now installing Roblox. So this will take some time to install. Right now I'll just fast forward the video. And there you can see installation is done. Right now it is starting Roblox. And there you go. So right now you just need to give your Roblox username and password, then click on sign in, and you will be able to play any Roblox game. Or you can also sign in by scanning this QR code from your phone. So I hope right now you are able to successfully download and install Roblox on your Windows laptop or PC. If you have any question or if you have any confusion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.